This video will show you how to replace the mirror switch on a GMC Sierra 2500. This will be mounted to your front door panel. Let's get into it. Now as we move towards our grab handle, we're going to have to remove the outer trim panel. You can see a clear difference here. Go ahead and separate it. I'm just going to use a flat blade screwdriver so I can make my way in between and gently start pulling it away. You don't want to damage it because we are reusing it. There we are. With that out of the way, you're going to find that you have two 10mm headed mounting bolts. There's our first mounting bolt. And the second mounting bolt. We'll take hold of the grab handle. It's going to pull away from the door. Quick inspection, set it aside. Continuing on, we're going to remove our switch panel, which houses our mirror switch. I'm going to be using a plastic trim tool right along this area here. Gently pry. It should want to lift up for us here. Continuing on, we have several electrical connectors. This one here is the one we're looking for. Now, to remove the electrical connector, you're going to find that it does have a small locking tab. We want to press that in. You can either do it by hand or use a small pocket screwdriver if necessary, whatever is easiest for you. Now, while I press that in, I'm going to go ahead and pull out on this electrical wiring harness. There we are. As far as removing the mirror switch, I'm continuing on with my pocket screwdriver. If you are looking along either side of the switch panel and the switch itself, you're going to find that there are locking tabs. Now what we need to do is carefully get our pocket screwdriver or small pick in between the panel and the switch itself and gently pry while pulling away on the switch. You can see it's starting to rock out of position. This is what I'm looking for. I'll go over to the other side. We're going to repeat this process. What I'm doing on the other side is I'm just gently pressing the switch out through the panel while I continue on. And now we can remove that switch. There it is, friend. Prior to installation of any part, of course, we want to make sure we clean and inspect our mounting area. As for this, I'm just using a clean rag with some glass cleaner. I'm going to give it a quick wipe. We want to make sure nothing's damaged in a way that it won't be usable. This looks good, so let's continue on with our installation. When we go to install the mirror switch, make sure you have it in the proper orientation. We have a circular port and a rectangular port. We need to make sure we're properly aligned. As we press it in, let's listen for a click from all of our locking tabs. After that audible click, give it a wiggle. Attempt to push it out of the switch panel. It should not fall out of place. Let's go ahead and connect our electrical connector. Line it up, press it in. Audible click, a light tug. Let's install that switch panel next. Go ahead and tuck the wiring down inside the door panel, align it, and press it in. Double check to make sure that's secured in place as well. Let's continue on with the grab handle. We'll get this aligned. We have our two 10mm headed bolts, one for each port, one up top, one down in the bottom area here. Let's install our trim panel across this area. Make sure that's secured all the way across. Okay, friend, we finished our installation. Now the next thing we want to do is test the functionality, and of course we're going to make sure we set our mirror to our preferences. We can make our way down to the switch. We'll make sure we're facing towards the driver's side, which is where we are, and we'll make sure the mirror switch functions as it should. The mirror does move. Perfect. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.